Trapper Ed making another Trapper Ed video of the Bigmouth trap, the 18-inch wide by 12-inch high by 36-inch long, 14 gauge, 1 by 1 inch. Notice it's got the expansion springs, 2 on either side of the door and 2 down at the other end. It's got the swing gate and the 14-inch by 4-inch wide bait container, sloping entries. As you notice, you see how the entries are sloped, and then these J hooks. You have to remember to get in here and take these bad boys off, and then what you want to do is stick them like such, then they won't hold the door up. Otherwise, if you forget to remove those, the trap will be triggered, but it won't spring, as I just pointed out by an earlier video that I erased. So I'm doing this now so I can show you how it should be done. You need to take those hooks off, and notice you got the steer horn trigger arm that I've developed out of number 9 wire, and then the swing gate, which is to say it's just a channel that goes across the entire width of the trap and up to the top, and so it will catch muskrats, mink, otter, beaver, nutria. It's big enough to contain these. Now that we've got these hooks removed, it should spring very well. Here's the trigger mechanism. As you can see, it just rests on top of here. I'm thinking of modifying this slightly and putting a type of trigger dog arrangement that is a little smoother, like a smooth piece of metal to cap over here, so that it won't necessarily stick. But then it could freeze, so I don't know. It's just a half dozen of one and 6 of the other type of thing. So watch this door as the trap gets sprung, and you'll see it's quite fast. It's a double door, single arm, double trigger with a swing gate. Okay, and it's spring loaded, as you can see. So here we go. See that? Now that it's sprung, any animal caught inside will be trying to push outward and won't be able to move the doors because they're spring loaded in the lock device down there. Now, on future models, I'm going to, this is just a prototype. On future models, I'm going to extend this lip of this door down about 2 inches and curve it in like this. Over here, let me show you some of these other traps, prototypes I've got going on. This right here is our new 36-inch muskrat trap that I'm going to put up on sale today on eBay. It's got the 4 by 6-inch bait container. It's actually 4 by 4 as it's spread out, but it takes like 6 inches of material. It's got a little carrying handle, and it's hinged. As you see, the door is hinged 2 different ways, with the J clips and also the weave, and it's got a bend. So you notice the nice little bend, so that's a locking type of feature. Hope you can see that, and I'm not too good at filming. So it's bent in any event, as you can see. Let me put this up here. See how it's bent? And that locks the device. So that's a 36-inch colony trap. This is our new New York state legal locking single catch muskrat trap. It's kind of like a little it's our design. Anyways, you can see how it's not spring loaded right now, and you can see how the locking gauges to prevent the door from opening. If the animal's trying to nose underneath it, it can't. And it's all woven. The woven design. It's got the steer horn trigger again. So to set it, all you do is tip it upside down, basically. So you disable the locks, if you will, and you set it. So it's just it sets like this. Well, you got to get this out of the way, of course. But then you just press this down, put it on your knee, press this down. Oops, it's the door. That's why the door wasn't going down, because it's not set properly. The door's set up on the trigger. So hold the trigger open, leave the doors down. It's hard for me to do this. I'm one guy and trying to film and do it all at the same time, so it's crazy. So anyways, you get the doors down and the arms up like this.